Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is a no scratching, no. Today's video is Boxycharm, and this is the month of July. Yes, I've already opened it. Yes, I have peeked in, but I haven't opened anything. I have peeked in because I couldn't remember. I've not looked at any spoilers for this box. Can you believe that? I didn't even remember what I picked. So here is the Boxycharm base box, $25 a month. I have a link below if you want to check it out. There's what the inside looks like. Some bubble wrap, and actually I'm going to pull my drawer out for this so I have a little bit of room. I apologize for getting all up in your face. Oh, children. This week, I'm telling you, has been crazy. Last week was crazy. We worked a lot last week. Me and the girls at work, we worked a lot. So that's why I didn't really have a lot of videos up for you guys. But this week, I have some time off. Today and tomorrow I have time off to film some videos. I have about 5 or 6 just ready to crank out for you guys. And so let's get into this box. First thing I need is the card. Oh, how pretty. Boxycharm Fantasy is the theme, apparently. There we go. And you guys know these variations have gotten like out of control. I mean, you remember when the variations used to be like variation 21, variation 18. This is variation C2 something. So that's the variation I got. If y'all, some people used to care. Some people used to want to know how much the box weighed, what variation you got. I don't know. The box weighs. I don't know. But let's jump into the first thing I see, which is a bottle of something. Autre by something Me3 8-in-1 CBD, multi-purpose nutrient mist and styling aid. North Carolina finally just approved marijuana for medicinal use. It should have not even been like a question many a year ago. It's like, that's a whole stupid debate right there. Marijuana for medicinal use shouldn't even be a debate. Let's see. Autre 8-in-1 CBD leave-in. It's a leave-in conditioner. I thought it was a face spray from like reading that. Leave-in conditioner packs on 8 powerful benefits into one. Enhances body and manageability. Yes, I did just put my hair through a lot of bleach. So it needs a little bit of conditioning. Detangles hair, fights frizz, protects hair from environmental, you know, when Shannon needs another cup of coffee because she can't talk. Balances moisture and adds nutrients to refresh hair, adds shine. This retails for $30. So there is the price of your box in one product. And I am not going to spray this on my hair. That smells really good. I'm usually not into like a heavy fragranced product, but it is pretty fragranced, but it smells really good. I said I wasn't gonna spray it on my hair. Just spray a little bit on the roots just to add the smell. That smells really good. For fine hair, 3 mist. For medium hair, 5 mist. For thick hair, 7 mist. I probably have medium hair, but and I just spray that on dry hair, but it smells really good. All right, next product. I'm just grabbing straight as it is in this box. I need to pull that drawer out just a little bit more, and I'm probably shaking you guys. I have no idea what this is. It looks like this. Let's see if I can find it on here. Is it Beauty Vault? Yes. Beauty Vault Erupt Lip Set. This lip set includes a liquid matte lipstick and a lip liner to create a luscious lip look. This retails for $18.50. Dang, I don't have a makeup wipe. Ooh, that's a pretty color. Come here. Is this the color? Ooh. Oh, no. The lippy is red. I don't understand this combination. The liner is like a berry. Be pretty with what I have on right now. But the lippy is red. Okay, I don't wear a lot of red lippies, so somebody might get this lippy in a giveaway. But that lip liner looks, maybe it's supposed to be a deep red. It says Carmine. I bet it has carmine in it too. Oh, I'm so tempted. But I'm not going to use this. I'm going to put it back in the box. I'm not going to swatch it. Nothing. I'm going to put this in a giveaway for one of you guys. So when we hit 3K, we'll have another giveaway. So there is a lippy set for one of you guys. Next up, and that was $18.50, is Mud Masky Vitamin Infused. Oh, it's an eye serum. I thought it was a mud mask. Delicate skin around the eyes is 10 times thinner than the skin around the rest of your face, making it the first place to exhibit signs of premature aging, such as dark circles and fine lines. This eye serum contains a blend of all-natural vitamin C superfood ingredient, essential for firming the skin, refreshing, powerful antioxidant, blah, 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 blah. $63, children. $63. It is sealed. I just want this to put some... It's mine. I'm going to use it. $63 and it helps fine lines. I'm pushing 50. So yes, I need. Oh, I think I got to spray that on my shirt. I did. Okay. It'll dry. Maybe. Or it'll leave a spot. So there's what it looks like. There's not enough there to tell me if it has a smell. Very kind of goopy. I want to get, there it is. You can see it. Kind of goopy when you first just rub into it, but it seems to be smoothing out very nice. And once you smooth it out, it's not goopy anymore. Interesting consistency. Drying down to like nothing. Like dried down to like absolutely nothing. But it's soft. It feels soft. So, okay, we'll give it a go. Next up in this box, Outcrease Retinol Trifecta Serum. Hey! Again, pushing 50. I'll be 50 next year. Dermalect Cosmeceuticals. I said that right. Outcrease Retinol Trifecta Serum. This successfully targets the look of fine lines, wrinkles, thick skin, and sun damage. I'm not even trying to pronounce the words I can't pronounce. It features 3 tremendously effective forms of retinol actives in a concentrated micro encapsulated delivery system. $39. So let's check this out. It is a squeezy bottle. I have been using kind of alternating. It is very liquidy. Can you guys see that? Very liquidy. I'm going to put it over here on the other side of my hand. So very kind of liquidy. The tea tree serum. Oh, that's very silicone-y feeling. I wonder if it says dimethicone or something. Retinol is the first ingredient. Retinol acetate, retinol palmitate. So the first 3 ingredients are all retinoids. Ceramides, vitamin C, and vitamin E. But what is like the base? It's very. See how shiny that it is? Very slippery. For this dried down to like absolutely nothing. This is like so. Can you see that? So slippery. I don't know how that would do with oily skin. I have combo to oily skin. In the summertime, it's more on the oily. In the wintertime, it's just kind of combo. But we'll see if that soaks in. I mean, I'll try it. It's retinoid, and I need that. So I'm going to take the box. You know where the boxes go. They go on the bed. Last but not least, it looks like it's a palette. And it's an Illamasqua palette. Illamasqua? It's one of those. This is weighty. This has a lot of weight to it. This I have not opened. I told you I peeked inside, but I have not opened anything. So I have scissors. Yay, Shannon's got scissors. I know. Because usually I don't have scissors. I may need something to, because I have no fingernails. Get this open. Ooh, the color of the palette's pretty. It's like a very deep rose. It's got that soft matte touch. Like I said, this is heavy, so there's got to be weights in it. It reminds me of the It Cosmetic palette that has like that curve in as far as the shape. Very neutral. It has shimmers and mattes. It does have a plastic sleeve. The sleeve has the names. If you're going to take time to print it on the plastic sleeve, why not just print it on the packaging? I don't. So the names are on the sleeve, and I will not keep this sleeve. Are they on the back? No, they're just on the sleeve. Nice mirror. But the shade names are Vacity, Bold, Distinct, Chaputs. You know, I gotta love that one because I say schmutz all the time. Chaputs, Zealous, Fearless, Empower, Honor, Muse, Poise, Assert, and Spirit. Those are the names. I'll never know the names again because that will go away. But there are the shades. And that's very similar to what I'm wearing today. Some of these shades. If you're wondering what I'm wearing today, it is the Catrice Pro Gin Nudes palette. Very nice palette. That video will be coming up. That's lovely. I'm going to, let's see if my hands dry. It did dry. It dried down very nicely. I'm going to swatch two of these shimmers. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, you gotta love it when they swatch like that. And I will take like this one and this one. Oh, yes. This is going to be a very nice palette. Oh, yes. Very nice. I can't wait to use that. We'll be using that in an upcoming video. Let's see what it says on the card, and we're done with this box. This was the Illamasqua Unveiled Artistry Palette. It has 12 highly pigmented powder eyeshadows in a satin matte and metallic shimmer. Intense finish, allowing you to create a number of unique looks. This retails for $50. Yes, I mean, with this quality, I could see that in that palette. It said 12. Where, like, I have a stack of palettes here. Like Candy Skies. This was like a $40 palette. I mean, I can see that. Illamasqua is a well-known brand. It is more of a high-end brand. I can see $50 retail for that palette. It is a little pricey for the size of the pans, in my opinion, but that is a beautiful palette. It's a beautiful palette. It'd be nice going into autumn, which, I mean, I think it's a nice neutral palette. It'd be lovely going into autumn. All right, guys, that is it for this month's Boxycharm. The box is going on the bed. You know the rules, the routine. Box goes on the bed. Let me know what you got in your Boxycharm. What was your favorite item? I think mine was the palette. I really want to try the leave-in conditioner. And I want to try the serum and the eye cream, or I want to try the skincare. So I'm really excited about this box. There was nothing in there that I wouldn't really use, except I don't wear a lot of red lippies. I mean, I would love to try this formula just to see, but I don't want to use it once and then be like, this color is terrible on me, and then never use it again. I'd rather go ahead and give it to one of you guys, and y'all can enjoy it. So be sure you hit subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. There'll be another giveaway when we hit 3K, guys. Can you believe it? So, yep, that's it for this one. I will see you guys on the next one.